My name's Frances Israel. I'm 78. I live in Melvern Square, Nova Scotia. I've had a cutback in pension. I'm always looking for ways to cut costs. The house that I'm living in is almost 200 years old. I've been able to spend more time painting. It blossomed since I've moved here. If I'm not painting, I'm observing. Everything is like a blank slate, just has so much potential. So I lost my husband in September of 2018 in a workplace accident. I am a widow and I've lived here ever since. So I did apply to the HomeWarming program through Efficiency Nova Scotia in 2015 and again in 2023. It was an easy process. I had my questions answered. I knew what was going on and what was going to happen. I actually had my basement insulated in 2015, and then last spring I had a heat pump installed. When I saw the HomeWarming program, I knew it would be a great idea. I've not regretted it. Since having the heat pump installed, the savings that I have seen has made me more than pleased. With these upgrades, it has made the home more comfortable, more livable. I would say that the house is more comfortable than it's ever been. It's like having a warm blanket. So being on a fixed income, I would recommend anyone who is in my situation to do the same thing I've done because you will not regret it. Visit homewarming.ca to learn more about Efficiency Nova Scotia's programs.